Alright guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can buy Robux with Apple Pay. First things first guys, you can't just buy this from your laptop or your computer. You need to be on your app on your iPhone to use this card, guys. Be on your app on your iPhone if you want to use this app, and then just go to the page where you buy Robux from usually. Go there and choose whatever option you want. If you want to buy the $10 one, 800 Robux, you can choose that, or choose your subscription. Doesn't matter. What is important is you do it from your iPhone. And then you're going to see this pop up that you can see on your right. Okay? You can click there and you're going to see the different payment options. What I want you to do is choose Apple Pay and just enter your details. Enter all your details, and boom, you'll be able to easily buy Robux with your Apple Pay. Really that easy and simple, guys. This video helps. Make sure you like, comment, and of course, subscribe because we have a lot more Roblox videos coming up. Really, a lot more in the pipeline.